to talk about one of the most commonly used plants in the garden from one side of the United States to the other. It's boxwood. I'm Nicholas Stadden with Monrovia Nursery. Today we're going to talk about how to transplant boxwood shrubs. So we're in the garden, we're going to plant a boxwood hedge or just a single boxwood plant, whether it's in a container or in the ground. This fantastic variety is called Winter Gem. We've dug our hole just a little bit bigger than the plant, and here we go. Let's remove it from the container. We always are really careful turning the plant upside down, gently tapping the pot. Look at that root system. Boxwood root systems are very fibrous. Look at that, you know you've got a really healthy plant here. Carefully placing her in the hole, keeping your hand in the bottom, and making sure she's nice and level. So once you have her in the hole, make sure that she is nice and straight, and then start adding your organic soil. You know, boxwoods are really bulletproof. They're easy plants to take care of. Every few handfuls of organic soil, put some of the native soil back into the hole as well. And very importantly at this point, we always put some fertilizer in there. I love slow release fertilizer. Boxwood probably need fertilizing no more than twice a year, and this could be one of those times. Keep going with the organic soil. Oh, this is great stuff. I made this in my garden myself. A little more fertilizer, and there we are. And then the final stage, to leave a nice well around the plant, so when you give her a nice watering, all that water will stay in the right place. So you see how easy it is. You can either plant these plants singly or en masse as a hedge or in a container. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery talking about how to transplant boxwood shrubs.